So some people have been finding this issue in their drawings where the clipping settings are set so everything is, all this extra stuff in the background is showing up. So I'll show you how to turn it off to affect all elevations of a certain view template. So if you click on your view template over here, you can see we're editing WW elevations 1/4 inch view template. So every elevation that has this view template on it, if you go down to far clipping and change this to clip without line, OK, and make sure that this checkbox right here is hit, and then click OK, it will resolve the problem in all elevations with this view template. And if you have it in more elevations, you'll just have to edit whatever affected view templates there are.